This is a Mark 1 GTI that's been sitting for about 20 years in Arizona. The interior was disgusting. It smelled really bad, and the seats were just absolutely shredded. Let's pop the hood. It's got mouse droppings all over. They've also chewed away at all of the spark plug wires. A lot of wiring in this car. Things like that need to be redone. And everywhere you look, there's kind of just cut wires or wires that are together like this. They aren't even matching colors. A bunch of the other wires in this car have just been chewed up by the mice that have been living in here for the past 20 years. Here you can see they even made a little nest in the airbox, which was really nasty. So when you pull the spindle out, usually the inner race gets stuck and you have to cut it off. Don't cut it all the way because you don't want to hit the spindle. You just leave a small lip like this, and if you hit it with a punch, it'll crack it. And now that it's cracked, it should slide right off. Here's the old wheel bearing. You can hear it. I finally swapped the brakes out. Look how crusty these old ones were. All right, let's look at what's behind 40-year-old brake rotors. Oof. Hopefully we start getting spark after this with a starter up. So now we're getting spark off the spark plug wires. Here's the spark plug. So now that I know we have spark, the next thing to check for is fuel. And it turns out the fuel injectors are completely clogged, probably because they've been sitting for 20 years in old gas. So I'm going to soak them in some seafoam. So if you look at the spray pattern here, you can see that stream of gas. That is not what you want in a fuel injector. So after cleaning them out, they look way better. It's just a nice mist and the fuel's atomizing really well. At the inside of the air conditioning piping. I wonder if any rats have been living in that. Now that I've started working on the interior in the Mark 1, I have found some disgusting stuff. The worst things about the Mark 1 right now is the shifter. It is so bad. So I got this shift bushing kit. I took off the shifter boot to get at the bushings down here, and yet another mouse nest. Look how bad these bushings are. So this is what's left of all the bushings. Feels amazing now. We're swapping out these old crusty bushings for a bunch of polyurethane ones. After doing the rear axle bushings right here, I decided to go do the front control arm bushings as well. There's all the old bushings taken out now. Using the last bolt on the top, there's two on the top, two on the bottom of the car. That doesn't sound very gentle to this very old car.
Yeah, it isn't to my Ratchet either, but...